My name is Vivek Bhardwaj. It's during my graduation when I was in first sem. I think to go for MBA. Then I'll decide to give CAT. During my first sem, I was looking for the coachings and came through MBA Guru website. At that time, searching through online. And then I came to know about their adaptive preparation plan that they had. So after going through that, I decided to join MBA Guru. The mentors here are very helpful. Even they are available for you every time. I had even texted some of the teachers at midnight also. They replied. So it was really fantastic. I realized this after giving the CAC. The fear that I had of VARC subject was something that was my biggest weakness. In VARC, I was just scored 25 percentile at that time. But in mocks, I even also scored 98 percentile. It's helped me a lot because VARC was the section in which I had troubled a lot. Basically, in that adaptive prep, you have that specific sessions of that subject. So this helps me a lot. I had taken 8 to 10 more classes, basic classes of that VARC. First of all, the faculty that they are here. Second is their adaptive preparation plan, and the material they give it to us was also a very quality and good material. After 2 or 3 mocks, when I see my score drastically down, so I just consult with my teachers. They help me to overcome from that and give a type of motivation that will be needed. There were some days even I discussed with a teacher on a phone call for about more than 1 hour about the problems I'm being facing. You can connect to them very easily.